In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a grid in Figma. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically create a frame over here, just a random one. And then once you have your frame, you want to just click on it so it's selected, and you want to go to the Design tab on the right over here. So once you have done this, over here you want to scroll down where it says Layout Guide, and you want to click on this plus icon to add a layout guide. And after you do this, you can select if you want it to be a grid like this one, if you want it to be just columns or just rows. Okay, now of course it's up to you. You can select and adjust the count over here, so you can move this around. There we go. And then you can adjust how many rows and the columns you'd like. So for example, let's say I would like to have 10 over here, and then you can of course change the color as well. So this is completely up to you. You can do whatever you want and then change the type of it as well as the margin and the gutter and the width, of course. And after you do this, you can just keep on adding new ones. So for example, let's say I now want to add rows as well, and let's make these like purplish, pinkish. There we go. And then you can just add them in like that, and you can customize this however you want, hide it, reveal it back, and do it as you wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.